If you are a student, housewife, or anyone who wants to earn money online without any investment, then this video is for you. Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can start your Meesho affiliate marketing by using just your phone without any stocks, without any investment, and even without experience. And the best part is, if you stay till the end, I'll show you a trick which will help you to get automatic sales with AutoDM. Now, if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, then don't worry. I have already made a detailed video on this. You can check the link in description or here. But today we are focusing on one of the easiest platform for beginners, Meesho affiliate marketing, which is currently one of the best ways to earn money online or make passive income. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to join Meesho Creator Club, how to set up your profile, how to get affiliate links, and how to use AutoDM for automatic sales. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more money hack. First, I'm going to Play Store and downloading the Meesho app. Now I'll open it. Here it's asking for language, gender, and age group. So I'll select all of this. Once that's done, I'll go to profile icon, click on sign up, and now I'll enter my phone number and verify it using OTP. And that's it. My account is successfully created. Now before earning, we need to make our profile look proper and complete. So I'll go to profile and start filling details like name, email ID, language, occupation, and small about yourself. Make sure you fill everything correctly because it helps in building trust and getting approval faster. Now comes the important part, join the Meesho Creator Club. So there are two ways to do this. First one is go to your Instagram and search for Meesho Creator Club. Tap on the profile, and in the bio section you will find some links there. Just click on the link and join. And for the second one, I'll open my Meesho app. Now go to profile, and at the top you can see Meesho Creator Club. I'll just tap on open, and that's it. Now I am officially a part of Meesho Creator Club. But if you have any doubt like you are doing right or wrong, you can come to home page and you can see this pink affiliate bar on products. This is the main proof that you have joined Meesho Creator Club. Now let's create our first affiliate link. So I'm on the Meesho home page, and here you will notice some products have a pink affiliate tag. This means you can earn commission from these products. So I'll open any product. Now I can either add it to cart or wish list. I'll just add it to wish list. Now I'll go back to Meesho Creator Club. Then scroll down and you will see an option create affiliate link. I'll tap on it. Now here you can give any name. This is optional. And then select a platform. Then click on select from wish list. Now I'll choose my product, and here you can see the option copy collection link. I'll tap on it, and just like that my affiliate link is ready. Now this is the most powerful feature, AutoDM. So I'll go to profile, then Meesho Creator Club, and here you can see the option AutoDM. So from here you can set it up and start using AutoDM. So what AutoDM does is, when someone comments on your reel, it automatically gets your product link in there. Means more click, more sales, and more passive income. Even if you're a beginner, no experience, low followers, still you can make money online with affiliate marketing. You just need consistency and smart work. If you found this helpful, like this video, comment it out, and subscribe my channel for more money hack.